We're making not a regular chicken biryani, it's a whole chicken biryani. Marinate the chicken first and add yogurt, gram flour, an egg, oil, ginger and garlic paste, and then grab your spices. Using fresh and aromatic spices is the trick here. Add the tropical heat turmeric powder, chili powder, and cumin powder, and then squeeze in half a lemon. Mix it all together, crack some salt, and then add the butterfly chicken into the mixture. Make sure it is coated well with the marinade and then cover and set it aside for 30 minutes. Then lay the chicken flat on a roasting pan and cover with aluminium foil. It's time to bake. Once cooked, heat oil in a pot and add some ginger garlic paste. Stir and then add the remaining of the chicken marinade and tropical heat pilau masala, fried onions and water and cook. Then add your boiled rice, over it some orange food coloring in water, coriander leaves and more fried onions. Cover and steam for about 10 minutes. Then uncover and mix it together. To serve, spoon the rice on the bottom of the plate and place the whole chicken over it. You won't believe how easy and delicious this meal is. Enjoy!